The Meiji Restoration in Japan. In the 19th century, the Meiji Restoration in Japan, which occurred during the late 19th century, was a period of significant political, social, and economic change in the country. It marked the end of the feudal Edo period and the beginning of Japan's modern era. The Meiji Restoration was sparked by a group of young samurai from the Choshu and Satsuma domains who sought to overthrow the Tokugawa shogunate, which had ruled Japan for over 250 years. In 1868, these samurai, led by figures such as Yoshinobu Tokugawa and Takamori Saigo, seized control of the government and established a new imperial government under Emperor Meiji. One of the main goals of the Meiji government was to modernize and industrialize Japan in order to make it a major player on the world stage. To achieve this, they implemented a number of sweeping reforms. One of the most significant of these was the abolition of the feudal system, which had long been the foundation of Japanese society. This allowed for the centralization of power and the creation of a strong, centralized government. The Meiji government also sought to modernize Japan's economy. They established the system of import tariffs, which helped to protect and promote domestic industries. They also invested heavily in infrastructure projects, such as the construction of railroads and ports, which helped to spur economic growth. Additionally, they sought to promote foreign investment in Japan and to encourage Japanese businesses to expand overseas. Another important aspect of the Meiji Restoration was the emphasis on education. The government established the system of compulsory education and established schools at all levels, from elementary to university. This helped to create a literate and educated workforce, which was essential for the country's modernization. The Meiji government also sought to modernize Japan's military. They established a conscription system and began training soldiers in Western-style tactics and weapons. They also built a modern navy, which played a key role in Japan's victory in the Russo-Japanese War of 1904 to 1905. The Meiji Restoration had a profound impact on Japanese society. It helped to create a strong, centralized government and a modern, industrialized economy. It also helped to promote education and to create a literate and educated workforce. Additionally, it helped to modernize Japan's military and to establish the country as a major player on the world stage. However, the Meiji Restoration also had its downsides. The rapid pace of change and modernization led to social upheaval and dislocation for many Japanese people. Additionally, the emphasis on westernization led to the suppression of traditional Japanese culture and values. Overall, the Meiji Restoration was a pivotal period in Japanese history. It marked the end of the feudal Edo period and the beginning of Japan's modern era. The political, social, and economic changes that occurred during this time helped to shape Japan into the country it is today.